Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the orientation on your Chromebook. So if you want to rotate the screen, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to go about starting this by selecting the clock icon near the bottom right corner of your taskbar. So go ahead and left click on that. And now select the setting icon. So go ahead and just left click on this little gear icon here. Select the device option on the left side, and then underneath device select displays. At this point where it says orientation, you can click inside the drop down here, and if you want to rotate the screen in whatever direction you want, you can. And there you go, guys, simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.